Good afternoon. If you are interested in electric cars, you have probably heard about the Wuling Mini EV. If you didn't, the Wuling brand is a Chinese company which manufactures mini electric vehicles with a range of starting from 120 kilometers, 140 kilometers, 170 kilometers, 200 kilometers, and top of the range, top of the biggest battery provides you about a range of 300 kilometers in real life. So after this success, because this is a very successful electric car product in China, it is topping the bestseller list since 2020, the end of 2020, 2021, and still in 2022, it is topping the top 10 list in China. And after the success, the WPL brand, or the name they are using for the smaller scale cars, the CXD brand, decided to make a contract with the Wuling, and they have came up with this official product of Wuling Mini EV. In the box, we get everything except the roof luggage. I was really excited if we get this one, but unfortunately it's not in the box, so it means they are going to sell this for a few more dollars. Okay, let's check the box, what we have inside it and how the car works. Unbox it. The user manual, which only comes in Chinese, and the car. Okay, see the Wuling logo, the official product. Front headlights are LED lights which are functional. Also tail lights are functional. We have a 1S 500 mAh 3.7 volts lithium ion battery, but you can also use a LiPo battery from your tiny drones. This is a drone battery from one of my drones, 1S 400 mAh, and as you know, LiPo batteries are capable to give more amps, which means your car can get a little bit more power and get faster, 1 or 2 kilometers. So it's a good thing that we can use it because of they are using the same plug. On off button and the remote controller. On off button. This car has 2 speed levels, slow and fast steering trim. And let me show you this. The remote controller requires 2 AA batteries. I am using rechargeable AA batteries, so you can also find the link of these batteries in the description. And as always, turn on the remote controller first and turn on the car from here. See, we have white front headlights and also white LED lights. And what is nice to have for a $51 car, an official product, you have proportional steering. Look at this. And you have proportional throttle. This is the first speed, and second speed the faster option. And it rides really smooth, that you will see while testing the car. And what else? Actually, there are too many accessories in the box. I already cut them out, cut the packages. Let me show you. 1S lithium ion or LiPo battery charger, a tiny screwdriver, and here we have side mirror stickers, the brand stickers CXD, also the car name Wuling sticker, and door handles, light covers, tail light covers, headlight covers, even the antenna, license plate covers, so you can make your custom sticker on it and stick on them. Side mirrors and all accessories you need on a car. Okay, let's install them and start testing. In the dark, I just realized one more thing. We have brake lights. Look at this. Now I'm going to release it. Brake lights just goes off, but it's really hard to realize them. I just found it in the dark. So in the ESC, the default setting is first you need the brake, then reverse. You cannot just make reverse and drive backwards. First of all, I would like to show you this. We have some articulation with spring shocks, which is enough for this kind of tiny RC cars. But anyway, on the surface we don't need them, but if you are going to drive this outdoors, you have some articulation. Okay, let's start. And I'm going to keep it in the default mode, the slow mode I mean. Let's see, because we don't need to go fast indoors. Test drive in low light. Now full speed in low speed mode. This was the full speed when you are using the car in the low speed mode. And now high speed mode, double light, 3, 2, 1. Really fast. I really liked it. It looks awesome. If you would like to get one of these for yourself, I am going to leave the link in the description. As always, thank you for watching. Have a good day.